posible po ba na maging destabilization to laban sa present government? Posible po. That is my take. Of course, I totally agree with the comments of Congressman Erwin Tulfo na ito po ay kailangan tugunan ng management or mga opisyales ng NAIA. And probably they can issue a certification that the airports are now pest-free. And because this will, again, put the administration into a bad light na ang airport natin, alam natin na gateway papunta po sa mga ibang bansa. Anyway, napaka-unusual lang ho kasi, dahil una, surot, tapos ngayon, daga na naman, hindi na po natin dapat hintayin na dumating pa sa punto na yung tanimbala bumalik na naman. So I guess siguro meron na rin ho tayong kasamaan dito sa House of Representatives that will call for a legislative investigation with regard to this issue dahil nakakahiya po talaga sa atin. And hindi po siguro dapat din malaman yung kung sino po yung mga contractor nito pong pest control. Kung kailangan po palitan, if they're not doing their jobs, then probably that would be the best and immediate solution na kailangan pong gawin ng administration ng NAIA.